Good medical morning. This is Watson, and I have a medical case so bizarre that I don't even know where to start. 21-year-old Russian Kirill Teryoshin wanted to be known for having the world's largest biceps. And as far as we can tell, he attempted this with little to no exercise. In his journey, he amassed over 300,000 Instagram followers and was initially known as the Russian Popeye. To attain his massive arms, Kirill used a controversial fluid to pump up his size. The oil itself does little more than inject fluid into your muscles and make them look bigger, and it has no positive health benefits. It's supposed to be used to fill out minor asymmetries in bodybuilding, but it's also used as a cheat. And it tends to spread, giving an uneven or lumpy appearance. Kirill's arms reached in excess of 24 inches, and he claimed he wouldn't stop until they were a whopping 27 inches. For reference, 24 inches was Hulk Hogan-sized arms. Comment below, are these the actions of a healthy mind? Here's what one doctor had to say. Inside the arms of this man, there are already pathologically changed tissues that look like jelly with insertions. The doctor continued to say that the arms were so infected that amputation may be the only option in the near future. After a quick glance at Kirill's social media account, it would appear that he does have some serious body image issues.
Не в сладость. Дамочки, я от лица всех мужчин.
Ultimately, Kirill, now known as the Synthol Kid to many online, had to have his arms drained to relieve pressure from the infection. It looks like he won't be entering any record books anytime soon. Leave your comments below. What do you think of the Russian Popeye and his unique attempts to enter the record books? What are your thoughts on his mental health, considering his exploits could have cost him his life? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting medical content all the time. See you next time. Good medical morning. I've got an interesting one for you today. A neurosurgeon at Kenya's largest hospital has been suspended after performing brain surgery on the wrong patient. The scandal, which prompted an outpouring of horror on social media, is the latest drama to hit the Kenyatta National Hospital in recent weeks, after allegations of staff sexually assaulting patients and the theft of a baby. The hospital said the surgeon, as well as 2 nurses and an anesthesiologist, had been suspended pending an investigation into the operation on the wrong patient. Health Minister Cicely Kariuki also suspended the CEO of the hospital over the blunder. An investigation by the Daily Nation newspaper revealed that 2 men had been taken to the hospital last Sunday. One required surgery to remove a blood clot to his brain, while the other needed only medication for a swollen head.
The said patient that required nursing and medication to treat a swelling on the head got an open brain surgery meant for another patient after there was a mix-up in their identification tags.
Hours into the surgery, doctors discovered there was no blood clot in the brain of their patient, and that they were in fact operating on the wrong man, the newspaper reported. The hospital deeply regrets this event and has done all it can to ensure the safety and well-being of the patient in question, read the statement from the hospital, adding that the patient was in recovery and progressing well.
I have seen the patient. He is stable. The doctors tell me he could be discharged on Monday. Fortunately, the second patient is stable. He didn't go through surgery. He's been put on treatment.
Wow. Well, leave your thoughts and comments on this situation below. Brain surgery in action. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. We have new content all the time.